Have you ever seen a bird with a beak so large and vibrant, it almost looks unreal? Well, it's very real, and it belongs to one of the rainforest's most iconic and fascinating creatures, the toucan. Turn on subtitles for the best experience. It'll help you follow along and catch every detail. Let's explore the life of this extraordinary bird, right here on Through the Wild Network. Toucans live in the lush rainforests of Central and South America. They spend most of their lives high up in the trees, rarely coming down to the forest floor. They're built for life in the canopy, where sunlight filters through leaves, fruits grow in abundance, and danger is never far away. But the most eye-catching thing about the toucan? That beak. It can be longer than the bird's body, bright orange, yellow, green, sometimes even blue or red, depending on the species. But here's the twist. Despite how massive it looks, the beak is actually light as air. It's made of keratin, the same protein found in your hair and nails, and has a spongy, hollow structure inside. The beak is a tool. Toucans use it to reach distant fruit, peel it, and eat it with surprising precision. It also helps regulate body heat by releasing excess warmth through blood flow. Some researchers even believe it plays a role in attracting mates, like a billboard of health and strength. Toucans are part of a larger bird family that includes over 40 different species. From the large and famous Toco toucan to the smaller Aracaris and toucanets, each one is uniquely adapted to its environment. Here's a fascinating fact. Toucans can control the temperature of their beak by adjusting how much warm blood flows through it. In hot weather, they cool down by releasing heat through the beak, like a built-in air conditioner. If you're enjoying this journey so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Through the Wild Network. We bring you stories like this every week, celebrating wildlife from every corner of the planet. Now, let's talk about food. Toucans are primarily frugivores, which means fruit makes up most of their diet. They eat figs, guavas, berries, bananas, and just about anything sweet and soft. But they're also opportunistic. Toucans will eat insects, small reptiles, frogs, and even the eggs or chicks of other birds when fruit is scarce. Life in the rainforest is competitive, and toucans have learned how to adapt. Their eating style is distinctive. They pluck a piece of fruit with the tip of their beak, toss it into the air, then tilt their head back to catch and swallow it whole. It's messy, quick, and efficient. When it comes to nesting, toucans don't build nests from twigs or leaves. Instead, they search for natural tree cavities or abandoned woodpecker holes. These hollows provide safety from predators and shelter from harsh weather. Inside, the female lays 2 to 4 eggs. Both parents take turns keeping them warm and feeding the chicks once they hatch. Baby toucans are born blind, featherless, and with small beaks. They rely entirely on their parents until they grow strong enough to explore. Toucans play an important role in maintaining the rainforest. As they eat fruit and travel through the trees, they spread seeds in their droppings. This helps new plants and trees grow, keeping the forest healthy and thriving. But not everything is bright and colorful in the toucan's world. Deforestation is a growing threat. As rainforests are cleared for agriculture and development, toucans lose their homes, their food sources, and their nesting spots. Some species, like the yellow-browed toucanet, are already considered endangered. And here's something you might not expect. Despite their impressive beak and bold appearance, toucans aren't strong flyers. Their wings are short and rounded, better suited for gliding between branches than soaring through open skies. They prefer hopping and short bursts of flight. It's all they need in the dense canopy. That's just one more reminder that in nature, function always comes before flash. If that surprised you, just imagine what else is out there. Subscribe to Through the Wild Network and join us as we explore the lesser-known sides of the natural world. Toucans are more than just beautiful birds. They're seed spreaders, canopy climbers, rainforest gardeners, and survivors. Their story is one of adaptation, connection, and the delicate balance of the ecosystems they live in. By learning more about species like the toucan, we grow more aware of how everything in nature is connected and how much depends on us to keep it that way. If you learned something new today, leave a like, share this with someone who loves wildlife, and subscribe to Through the Wild Network. There's so much more to discover, and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay wild.